Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'll be doing a Pinchme unboxing. So if you don't know what Pinchme is, stay tuned. And like always, like and subscribe. Now on to the rest of the video. Alright guys, if you don't know what Pinchme is, it is a company that sends you free samples every month for free. Yes, for free. And if you haven't checked out my other videos, I will try to link them up above and down below so you guys can check them out and see all the freebies that I've received throughout the years. So this box is for this current month, and I will be unboxing it to show you what I got inside. So without further ado, let's get into this box. Alright guys, so what I've received in this box, the first thing is 3 Ziploc bags. We have a quart size for regular storage, a freezer size quart, and a sandwich bag. So this is great. It is their new Flex and Seal one. So this is great. As a mom, this is great. Although I use reusable Ziplocs, but it's always good to have these around just in case if you're gonna make like meat or something or freeze meat. I don't freeze them in reusable ones because no. I use it in plastic ones. Sorry, not very eco-friendly, but I'm not trying to catch salmonella. The next product that I received is from Yardley, London. My grandma loves this. It is their lavender English soap, and it smells amazing. If you don't know what Yardley is, it is a amazing soap that is honestly amazing. And they sell this at Dollar Tree for $1, so check out your Dollar Trees to get this. The next product that I received, it's hilarious. It is Goody's Hangover Fast Pain Relief and a boost of alertness. So it's a little powder. You put it in water and you drink it. And apparently it's supposed to cure hangovers. And I got 1 pack of it. Oh, and it says it's available on Amazon. So if you guys have ever tried this, let me know what you think, if it actually works. And I probably will give this to my husband because he's the one who really drinks more than me. Okay guys, the next product that I received is a product that I've been wanting to try forever that Pinchme keeps having, and they never sent it to me, but they finally sent it to me. It is Sauce Beauty. I've been wanting to try their brand. They're a clean beauty brand, I believe. Are they? Before I like over here saying that they are. Pretty sure they're a clean beauty brand. If I'm wrong, let me know that in the description. This is their deep moisture mask. It is a guacamole whip. You can see that. And honestly, I've been wanting to try this forever. It has avocado, argan oil, and manoi oil. So this is really good. It's a good. There's a little bit more about it in the back. If you want to pause and read that. The next product that I received, that I already received in another box, it is a SlimFast diabetic weight loss. Oh, this one's different. Sorry, I'm over here saying that they already sent it to me when they didn't. It is their nutty caramel and chocolate cluster candies. The last one they sent me was peanut butter cups, but this is chocolate clusters. And last but not least, oh wait, there's actually a few more other things. Hold on a second. Last 3 or 4 things. They sent me these cute little nail decoration stickers that I'll probably use on my daughter because they're super cute, or just give it to my kids to decorate with. This Airheads candy, which this is my favorite flavor from Airheads, so I'm not complaining. And something that I've been wanting to try, it is First and Free CBD soft gels. It comes with 2 of them. I've wanted to try CBD products for a while, so I'm glad to get this to try it out. It's a little bit more about it in the back, if you want to pause and read that. So yeah, that was everything I received in my Pinchme box. If you guys liked it, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you haven't signed up for Pinchme, what are you waiting for? I'm going to put a link down below in the description so that you guys can sign up and get free products every month. Also, you can qualify to get freebies throughout the month besides the box. And if you follow them on Instagram, they usually have a giveaway. If you haven't seen my mystery giveaway win, my mystery box giveaway win, my mystery... If you haven't seen my video of the mystery box that I won from Pinchme, I will link that up top and below, like the other videos. And guys, sign up. It's free. Follow them on Instagram. It's free, and you guys can enter to win free stuff. Why not? So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. Bye now.